Dear nations and dear USA, all nations, 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all in this same page on a very crucial final closure, civil justice sign off I'm providing for myself. And it's a multitasking wherein I'm displaying all the errors of the USA government errors upfront, and the root cause of that errors is because Pope Francis only created the destruction to the national operations. So I wish I get the rightful salary. I wish I get the rightful job offer signed off, and national benefits, and all the finance compensation for the damages done to me by fatal negligent USA nation, right? Because it is a USA nation with fatal negligence created robocall poverty mandate and enforced poverty mandate to I, and enforced finance disability to I, and enforced finance debt to I, and that is the 3 counts of crime, and that is the deadliest crime that comes under the classification of domestic violence. And USA nation do not have any birthrights to be domestic violent, right? This particular civil justice sign of discipline will provide the rightful discipline in a rightful way. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, I'm going to read this, no overview, I'm going to read this. So you all must be, oh wow, like that, right? Because yes, when there's no overview session, then the civil justice sign up, read up will go fastest, isn't it? And when I'm going to read the civil justice sign up, you all will know. Okay, and only one sentence, quickly I will finish it off for the shortest overview as possible. When there are white skin only schools available in the United States of America in all 50 states, at least they are the holy gods, right? The white skin, the European Americans, the white skin, looking very good, like that population. If they are having only colored skin schools only in the United States of America in all 50 states, at least they could have stepped in and educated USA to provide healthy processing, right? So even they were fatal negligent, because they were, I would say, out of ignorance is the highest thing I can see, and then no education whatsoever. I already educated. European population are the population from the European nations are innocent, because they do not have any clue of the scandal that's going on. So they do not have any clue how the Africans, or they don't know, the innocence is so high as they don't even know that Africans are humans. Right? Because the Africans, they do not have that appealing look, right? And even if you go and look into any of the colored skin, only some will be okay, but most of them are only, they will also, like me, I will not be having that appealing look, but still, I am that I am, this is my skin, like that I'm saying, right? God created me, I'm thankful for how God created me. I have a thankful heart, right? And I'm absolutely happiest about how I am being created. Got it? So it's not going to impact me how people are going to body shape me, see you're obese, see you have a pot belly, see you're a black skin, see your hair is falling, see you're already gray hair, see you look like this, see you look like that, see you look ugly, like that, your waist, you're useless. I will say thank you. I will not even bother to say thank you. I will just, you all know, I do not waste time in this foolish stuff, right? So I will just pass by with a smile, because I know who I am. I know who created me. And I'm thankful for that God who created me who I am. I'm comfortable in my own skin. So who are other people to even bother about it, right? So when there are white skin only schools in all the 50 states of United States of America, they fall into that fatal negligent domestic violence category, because they never bother to step up and educate the education system that there should never be any skin color level discrimination schools facilities in United States of America. When they were very keen to ban the Christian education from the public schools, they should even ban this kind of a discrimination. That itself says it all. right, in the raw mode, how education system has been broken in pieces in USA, and only I can step in, and being an excellent educational director, I can direct and I can guide all the education systems in USA and all nations worldwide. Don't you all think so? Yes, my dear fellow mankind, nobody can be jealous of my wisdom. Sorry about that. It's God-given wisdom, right? When white people's skin are looking, saying that they are the holy republica, they are the holy God-created creatures, creations created from dropped right from the heaven, they should have stood up and banned that skin color discrimination from entire school systems. They forgot it. I would not say they forgot it. It is a fatal negligence. It comes under the domestic violence, so they have to pay the price. Okay. Can you all see how I'm displaying Pope alone as a scrap? How white-skinned population in the United States of America are innocent, absolute. Got it? Right? Yeah. Beyond my skin color only, Republican administration full of white skin, listen to me. Beyond my skin color only, Democratic administration, only listen to me. That is, says it all. Why wisest always stands out in the crowd. Why foolish people even loves only wisest people. Because that wisdom is so priceless. Whatever comes out of that wisest person will be always towards the wisdom pathways only. Okay, I will quickly read this because it's already 6 minutes. I do not want to delay on this session. So victims of abuse patients' medical compensations claims billing process as of February 2021. Prostitution, Babylon, USA at fault found guilty in all counts of crime of Vatican for with fatal negligence. USA nation created robocall poverty mandate to I. Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and as of February 2021. A nation having civil law agency do not have birthrights to allow criminal justice in nation, and it is fatal negligence of criminal justice and civil justice agency of USA for created robocall poverty mandate because of fatal negligence, and it is deadliest crime enough for nation to be sealed and shut down, for disqualified to be nation. Antichrist, Lucifer, Satan, Pope Francis, Jesus, Vatican, Pope Francis created finance law is hell poverty mandate. So, civil justice for at fault found guilty USA nation is Part A, USA prostitution, criminal, white skin only schools law, must sign off tax-free $1 billion direct deposit to my bank account for fatal negligence and created robocall poverty mandate. And Part B, USA prostitution, civil, white skin only schools law, must sign off tax-free $1 billion direct deposit to my bank account for fatal negligence and created robocall poverty mandate. And prostitution, USA nation took away $4,500 in October 2018, and with fatal negligence at fault found guilty, USA nation enforced crime 1 of USA nation poverty mandated to I. Vedapriya Prose, and crime 2 counters USA nation finance disability took away $4,500 on October 2018 mandated disability to I. Vedapriya Prose crime, and then crime 3 counters USA nation has created the finance debt $10,210.38 mandated to I. Vedapriya Prose. So the 3 counts of crime of poverty mandated by USA nation comes under the domestic violence types. It's breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, and trespass and to the land and chattels and types. And at fault found guilty, Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh stole the rightful job belonged to I. Vedapriya Prose. For I. Vedapriya Prose should have been elected as Supreme Judge of USA on October 2018, and Justice Steele, the rightful job belonged to I. Vedapriya Prose alone. Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, and Brett Kavanaugh created robocall poverty mandate to I. Vedapriya Prose on October 2018. And I. Vedapriya Prose wants civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines only. Roman province Vatican Jesuits leader Antichrist Pope Francis must resign now for Pope Francis created criminal law is hell law, and for fatal negligence of criminal law and civil law in all 50 states of USA is 100 counts of fatal negligence, for total count of 100 counts of fatal negligence of criminal law and civil law agency of USA. So Jesuits Roman province of USA should pay tax-free $100 billion and direct deposit to my bank account in next 1 second. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice, sir. Okay, and thank you all, my dear fellow mankind, and I hope you are all in the same page. And I'm providing multitasking, isn't it? One side I'm displaying the USA government errors, one side I'm displaying Pope Francis only destroyed the government errors. See, education failed because of Pope Francis only. Education destroyed humanity, it is because of Pope Francis only. Long list of schools created because of Pope Francis only. Christian education got removed from the public schools is because of Pope Francis only. White skin only schools is created because of Pope Francis only. Africans only or colored skins only school was created by Pope Francis only. So domestic violence of slavery, hatred, discrimination also created by Pope Francis only. So that is why USA Republican government is broken in pieces because of Pope Francis only. That is why Democrat government operations also broken in pieces because of Pope Francis only. Please, USA government, please pay me salary for that, because I am displaying the crime, true crime, the deadliest crime of Pope Francis. Please pay salary for me. I am in finance crisis, I am unemployed, I have lot of scars. That's all created by Pope Francis. And workplace are laying me off because I am displaying Pope Francis only is the true health creator. Pope Francis created unemployment for me. Pope Francis created career destruction for me. Pope Francis enforced all the USA government should not help me out when I begged for help. Nobody helped. So please USA, please pay me the salary. Please pay me, sign off the job offer I'm asking for. Please lay off Pope Francis immediately. I must be the Vatican leader now, because I know how to guide. I know how to guide the education services worldwide. Please do not delay. Sign off the job. Please help me out here. I'm begging. Please help me out here. I am the owner of all nations. I am the true owner of USA. USA is Tamil Nadu. Please listen to me, USA. This is what I'm asking. In the multitasking of the civil justice, I'm signing off. In front of all nations. In front of entire human kingdom means United States of America is handcuffed, is at fault and found guilty in all crimes of Vatican, and mandated to kneel down in front of all nations and to provide rightful that belongs to me. I want to repeat one more time, I do not like the people stealing that rightful belongs to me. I just do not like it. Right? I do not like backstabbers. My brain goes into shock mode when people backstab me. If people do not like me or if people hate me, just say it up front. I can handle it in a healthy way. At least my brain will not go into shock mode. Right? When people don't know, so that means, imagine, if only there was a healthy job code for backstabbing service providers' job with a salary provided means, boom, don't you all think that disease would have been gone forever? Are you laughing, thinking, shouting in your heart loudest, oh my gosh, this lady Vedapriya is super wisest in whole entire planet Earth? Yes, my dear fellow mankind, it is God who created me from dust, right? Gave me the wisdom. I'm thankful of who I am. I'm comfortable in my skin. It is okay if my fellow peers, mankind, are going to mock me out of how I'm looking. Right? I'm already in the middle age. Who cares? Right? And never even in my young age also, I've never been in that, okay, whatever, more only. Right? Yes, my dear fellow mankind. India is one of the nation in whole entire planet Earth where people will be discriminated because of the skin color, even in the entertainment media, even in the television shows, even in the television news channels, even in the household by household, even in how the family members treat the family people based out of skin color. So don't you all think whatever that's going on in US is just nothing, right? It's just nothing. And it's not even on the skin color. I already educated that. Scandal is way beyond the skin color. It's just, it was created that way. The healthy, true love people, who are in folly, want to fall in love or in love, they cannot express their love because of these kind of barriers being mandated worldwide. And India is one of the nation. You all should know, right? So I'm displaying how Germany, Hitler is even innocent. I only educated, it's 15 minutes, okay, if it is going to 20 minutes, just be bad with me. When I was working in Poverty Free Earth, end of the year 2030 volunteer project, I only educated one sentence. Do you all know what sentence it was? I said, if only Germany, Hitler, the late leader of Germany, Hitler, was mandated to or understood what India is, about that casteism, the deadliest domestic violence ever, he would have felt ashamed of how. Got it? Meaning, his innocence is displayed, after all, when it's compared to the India providing casteism, India providing the skin color discrimination, he will fail in whatever. That's how I educated, and people were so shocked, and people got educated in a healthy way, and they witnessed, and with my education they all came to know how Germany led Hitler is in fact is indeed an innocent man, right? He got slaughtered first. He got crucified by Pope Francis to be a nuclear bomb. So when he got crucified by Pope Francis to be a nuclear bomb, who population should mock? Only Pope Francis, isn't it? Who should people should throw on the volcano? Only Pope Francis. But they never did that. So now, here he will be thrown. Pope Francis will be thrown in the lake of fire. Got it? So I'm talking about not the politics on the very high level. National level politics are there, and that is why politics is a crap as a garbage has been known worldwide. Everywhere the government is broken. Everywhere the justice is broken. Okay, that is one side. Then politics on the workplace. How to scapegoat the team, like that. It's always because of the jealous only that will happen. The workplace politics is always created out of jealous. Okay. Then on the household level also there is politics. And I also explained how that skin color level based and the partiality, you all know, households, even there are like, let's say there are 3 or 5 children, how the partiality or favoritism is provided. When there is a grandma or a grandpa, how favoritism is provided only towards only one set of or only one specific grandchildren. Or when there are relatives, how only one set of the nieces or nephews or cousins are treated in one way and the other people are treated the other way based out of whatever status they are in, either based out of the skin color, either based out of economic status, either based out of education. It's everywhere. So politics in 3 different categories, I explained it in this civil justice sign-off itself. Got it? So government will start to think, oh my gosh, each and every single fiscal calendar year, we have been allocating $1 trillion for charter schools, $1 trillion for, okay, if not $1 trillion, let's say $1 billion. Okay, $1 billion for charter schools, $1 billion for special needs schools, $1 billion for orphanages, $1 billion for private Christian schools, $1 billion for non-private Christian schools, private non-Christian schools, and $1 billion for Roman Catholic organizations only, and $1 billion for this and $1 billion for that. And out of that, out of all the schools, then there is also $1 billion. Like I did only for white skin schools only. No fundings allocated for African or color skin only schools. They have to live with it and die with it. It will be a trash. The school facility will be a trash. Then they will look on, okay, where is the checkpoint, where is the gateway, where is the pathway, where is the root cause, who created this havoc, who mandated, who misguided, means all are checkpoints. Checkpoint 1, checkpoint 2, checkpoint 3, gateway 1, gateway 2, gateway 3 means finally traces to where? 7 hills of Rome, St. Peter's Basilica. The Pope Francis, the crap, isn't it? Can you all imagine? But when you're, see, I don't know about my peers, okay? I was educated in a diversified neighborhood. I grew up in a diversified neighborhood, and I grew up in a diversified educational facility only, okay? So that means I am colored skin. Then I would have to interact with different colored skins. I don't know about others. Here only USA they are calling it a brown skin, a black skin, a green skin, a red skin, a yellow skin, a white skin, whatever. But I have understood light skin, right? I'm dark skin and light skin. Even my friends and the known people had light skin. And my friends were even in a very pretty category, pretty women category. But I am only in the average women category. Right? But then I grew up in that kind of a diversified environment only. Clean love, healthy love, right? So that means that is how it should be. But then here they are saying diversified. President Joe Biden is a scammer. If you're going to look into entire cabinet picking, it's a scam. All oldies. Right? They are all in the retired age only. They are all in the oldies. Can you see how selfish they are after all? Right? All oldies have been elected in President Joe Biden because they can get the retirement funding on side, they can get the retirement disability assistance on side, they can get all the Medicare care free one side, even after their death, after their coffin, they can get the salary one side, and they can also get to have the job also one side. All oldies, right? The Federal Reserve leader, the Yellen, was even during President Obama admin. She knew. When I was displaying all the crime, she knew. She knew who I am. And now she will faint only. But I will say, don't faint. Sit up. Pay all the medical compensation for all the damages done. Means nobody can escape the justice process. Got it? So whether President Joe Biden knew that I'm going to provide the justice for the Yellen, who is, I think Yellen is her name. If I named it wrong, just disregard it. For the Federal Treasury, right? So, and in all the cabinets President Joe Biden selected, nobody knows what they're going to do. All they know is they're going to get the hell lot of money because of government operations, right? Government salary. Everything will be free. Free housing, free vehicle, free of everything. So President Joe Biden proved he is a scandal. He's a scam. A definition, a personification of a scam. President Trump, innocent. Why? President Trump is not a liar. President Joe Biden is a lawyer. So that means his brain should function unbiased way, not partiality way. But he proved that he's provided partiality. Right? At least President Obama should have stepped in and educated President Joe Biden that, hey, President Joe Biden, sign off the job offer to Svedapriya for the Supreme Judge. He never did that because everybody wants to save their selves because they're all in the wealthiest modes. They don't even care. Hillary Clinton, she is a woman, right? She could have stepped in and educated President Joe Biden to sign off the job offer to me, isn't it? Or John Kerry, he knows because he was in that Iran deal. So he knows. He was in that Hillary Clinton and John Kerry, they were all very much involved in that Iraq, Levant, Mosul border solution and providing a temporary short-term solution. Boundary provided to Yazidis and Kurds. So they should have stepped in and educated. Okay. President Trump opened the U.S. embassy in the Jerusalem because of my education after 70 years. After 1948, only he opened. That's almost after 70 years he opened it. At least his government could have educated President Joe Biden to sign off the job offer to me. So humanity got destroyed. Everybody stole my rightful job. Right? Stripping of self-esteem is one part, and removing the true identity of a civilian is the deadliest crime. It's the deadliest crime. It's never about the self-attention or center of attention which I'm providing. I want civil justice. I want civil justice. Hey, if you don't know what is the difference between justice or injustice, it's not my problem. Provide civil justice, provide finance compensation, give me the rightful job that belongs to me. Don't steal my job. Don't remove my true identity. Don't do that. Already self-esteem has been removed. Crucifixion is that only. Crucifixion is what? It's a shame logo. They create a scar on the face forever, lifetime scars. Don't you all think for the rightful job stolen from me, President Joe Biden at least should step in and sign off the job offer to me now and then resign immediately because I'm a native Indian tribe? So, yes, it is 27 minutes already. So I will just end this session. So this session is about what? A direct fire slap on the face of President Joe Biden, isn't it? He's going to go crazy because every single state is having white skin only schools. Every single state is having Africans and colored skins only schools. That will be zillions of schools, isn't it? Facility by facility, facility by facility. We're going to track down. Status report. President Joe Biden will faint and pass out. Don't you think so? 500 years of scandal. He had 50 years to fix those errors. He never did that. He never did that. So he has to pay the price. That he has to resign immediately, then I should step in and I will take care of every single operation. I'll fix it everything. I already said as of January 25th itself, I eradicated COVID-19. That is how fast as I can fix everything. President Joe Biden during the campaign said he can fix the COVID-19. He's still struggling. He's still working on what is Oval Office. And he's fooling people. 4 years will be passed again. So, civil justice must be served, and I will get the civil justice very stylish way only. That means stylish way, I would say, when people are mocking me, I should get the job offer. When people are mocking me or bullying me or body shaming me, calling me whatever, with curse words and curse me to death, wish me dead, I should get the salary. I should get the job offer signed off. Right? Don't you all think so? That is an excellent civil justice served to me. And I should live. Why should I even bother to die when people are creating hell after? It's only people who created me hell. God created me only heaven. And God's name alone is glorified. When all these people are creating hell after for me, it is God's name alone is glorified. Okay? And yes, my dear fellow mankind, I fear only God. I can die for God, abruptly closing my eyes. Okay? I will not fear anybody. Got it? And one more time, my love is cleanest. I can display love. And even in the workplace, I worked with different skin colors only, different religious faith only, different genders only. They all know my rock solid work ethics. Right? A firewall, a boundary set, a self-disciplinarian. Yes, I will talk less. People will not even know that I am there in the workplace. Unless and until when they want to talk to me, then only they know, oh, okay, this person is living in this workplace, kind of. Because my peers in the workplace, they never knew whatever pain I was handling with, right? So I'll wear a simple makeup and only provide silent smile. And talk very less. Unless and until there be a need, I'll talk. And of course, I'm a workaholic. Peers will even mock at me, or at least in their heart. Because once when I sit in one place and start working, I'll work. Okay? As I told you earlier, for some people who cannot sit for a long time, versus I can sit for a long time. It's almost like how when people get to work on a puzzle, solving the puzzle mode, the brain keeps working non-stop, like that. So from my end, if at all I want to say about what is that I need to work on, is I become workaholic and I have to work on that part, right? Take it a little bit easy on side mode, like that. And other than that, I'm a very jolly go friendly type. You all know when I laugh out loudest. Okay, and people knows that. People known to me knows that. Yes, my dear fellow mankind, I wish to get back to the workforce immediately because I'm in finance crisis and I'm asking for the rightful salary only. USA have to provide all the salary. It's pending, I would say. It's pending since I finished this task long time back, right? For the labor 2014 to 2019, spring of 2014, spring of 2019, whatever salary USA can provide in millions or billions, I can take it. And for Medicaid for all redesigned for 50,000 year world project, the design cost I provided the estimation. It can be anywhere between $25 billion to $1 trillion because I'm going to provide the redesign from the scratch for next 50,000 years. Not for one nation, but for all nations, right? It's going to be a complex design which I can provide. I already have the design in my brain, patented design. I already finished design phase 1, only design phase 2 and 3 is left. Just like that, I can finish it. And I can even quit, because the basic foundation is only that is needed. And I also asked for this job offer, which I was asking Vatican leader job and Supreme Judge of all nations, Supreme Family Judge and Supreme Children Judge for all nations. And Global Poverty Relief Medical Director, Chief Director for all nations job to oversee to lead and guide the Department of Children Family, Department of Health Services, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Exports, Department of Military, right? Department of Justice, Department of Health Services, World Bank, United Nations organizations, and then Center for Disease Control, World Health Organizations. And I should also be the interim means. I already provided a salary. Provide me $250,000 per annum, let it be tax free with benefits. So people cannot be jealous of why this lady is asking that much amount of money, because that much damages they have done. Can they create a human brain? If doctors don't know to create a price for a damaged cost brain for a claims processing, I say this will be the medical compensation moving forward for a law, created as a law. $50,000 trillion, $500,000 trillion, $1 billion, $100 billion. That will be the medical compensation. Nobody will dare to create any hurt for fellow mankind with my civil justice. Got it? So can you all understand why exactly it's a multitasking? Because everything is going to be reformed. Everything is going to be rewritten. Organization structure itself is going to be rewritten. Right? If Senate is cleanest lawmaking process, why on there is white skin only schools in Earth or in USA? If GOP and House of Representative and Congress Republicans are healthiest government, then why on there is only white skin only schools and colleges in Earth? That is the deadliest crime that can be provided by a nation to the innocent younger generation population who never even knows about, there is skin color discrimination, but they are injecting the toxins to the younger minds. That is wrong. Who is the root cause behind all this crap? Pope Francis. So Pope Francis will be thrown in Volcano. Because USA nation government wanted to know who is that black sheep, who is that hell creator, and they want to just fire that root cause in ashes. And Pope Francis will be thrown in ashes. Wait, watch and see. More crime is there. And already whatever crime I've been providing, it's already touching sky. So more crime means it will go beyond the sky. That is how much the crime is exponentially increased. USA nation can never apologize to the population for the crime the USA nation provided to the innocent population. So USA don't know what is a nation. USA nation don't know what is education. USA don't know what is government. USA don't know what is policing. USA don't know what is policy bill making process. Nothing. USA don't know anything. And there is innocence also identified, and I can bail USA. Because innocence is identified in my book of law, civil law. Yes, my dear fellow mankind, I should get the rightful whatever that belongs to me. Right? Whatever rightful belongs to me was stolen in an injustice way. Don't you all think I should get back whatever I lost? Right? Don't you all think so? Is this how a nation can treat a fellow mankind? Wrong. Crime. It's not even wrong, it's crime to treat a civilian as a trash and enforcing poverty for a fellow mankind. That is wrong. Crime. Why nobody educated you say that? Pope Francis said that is healthiest. Pope Francis said USA, create robocall for Vedapriya. That is healthiest. That is why they created. Don't you all think that I have to slap the broken USA and get the justice my way and discipline USA my way? And say to USA, don't create any kind of this crap to any of my fellow mankind? This $500 check that will be written by President Trump or whatever is a healthiest civil justice served to me. They all lost to apologize to me. I do not want any apology from President Trump. But sign $5,000 and direct deposit to my bank, that's enough for me. Right? Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.